Dating back to Athenian culture, Stoicism has proven itself worthy and indispensable in modern times. Remarkably, its popularity continues to surge as an increasing number of individuals seek refuge from escalating anxiety and stress. Consider that 99% of the concerns troubling people today are largely imaginary, stemming from inflated expectations fueled by societal pressures. Although humanity has advanced considerably since our ancestors grappled with basic survival necessities, our collective anxiety seems to have multiplied exponentially. Fortunately, Stoicism offers potent remedies to counteract these issues. Middle section, employing Stoic strategies. Incorporating Stoicism into daily life requires conscious effort and dedication. Below are 3 fundamental techniques designed to help users relinquish fruitless worries, replace hollow thoughts with purposeful intentions, and ultimately achieve gratifying accomplishments. Technique Number 1. Balancing desires and fears. Adopt the scales metaphor. Envision 2 bowls resting on opposite ends of a scale. Within one bowl, place your deepest desires, while depositing your greatest fears in the opposing container. Ideally, the bowl containing your aspirations should outweigh the one filled with apprehension and kikakilfa, ensuring that determination supersedes dread. By striking this delicate equilibrium, you'll find enjoyment in favorite activities and pursue them vigorously. Conversely, fixating exclusively on fear stunts personal development and limits growth. Separate essential goals from superficial distractions. Distinguish vital objectives from peripheral diversions. Consistently evaluate your pursuits, keeping only those integral to realizing your primary goals. Discard non-essential interests that detract from your mission. An anecdote serves to elucidate this point. During a countryside retreat, a frantic child informed guests that their residence was ablaze. Chaos ensued among the visitors except for one person, the host. Calmly, he ventured to the lavatory, filling a bucket with water to combat the inferno. His measured reaction sufficed to quell the blaze temporarily, buying time until reinforcements arrived. Had others adopted his level-headed demeanor, perhaps irreversible damage could have been avoided. Similarly, identifying crucial undertakings and responding accordingly optimizes resource allocation and tempers irrational reactions to ostensibly daunting challenges. Technique Number 2. Upholding. Just action, embrace justice in deeds. Although justice forms the bedrock of Christian ethics, mere intellectual assent proves insufficient. Instead, infuse your conduct with fairness and integrity. Avoid harboring vengeful thoughts towards perceived enemies or indulging in petty feuds, lest animosity consume your existence. Opt instead for executing beneficial actions devoid of ulterior motives or manipulations. Commit to undertaking tasks. Provisionally strike a balance between setting achievable targets and anticipating contingencies. Prepare for probable interferences, whether meteorological, technical, or physiological. Doing so ensures readiness when faced with unexpected obstructions. Organizational theories corroborate this stance, suggesting that accounting for potential pitfalls streamlines goal accomplishment and averts premature burials in the proverbial graveyard of abandoned aspirations. Technique number 3. Seizing opportunities, capitalize on pivotal instants. When embarking on arduous missions, initially, 90% of your attention dwells on trepidation, leaving only 10% devoted to active engagement. Shift this ratio by conquering your instinctual reluctance to commence operations. Committed individuals generally complete tasks expediently, whereas perpetual procrastinators succumb to regret upon reflection, mourning wasted hours and lost opportunities. Measure your allotted time. Visualize the expanse of your lifetime apportioned into discrete units: minutes, hours, days. Recognize that each passing second carries irretrievable permanence. Therefore, treat each moment as sacred, imbuing quotidian activities with renewed significance and reverence. Suddenly, mundane chores assume grandeur proportions, transcending banality. Conclusion: realizing Stoicism's utility. Appropriating Stoicism encompasses honoring the present, tempering ego-driven compulsions, and exercising judicious discretion. By mastering these techniques, you too can vanquish needless worries, concentrate energies on salubrious aims, and radiate equanimity amidst disorder. Integrating Stoic wisdom engenders sustainable change, propelling you along a pathway marked by tranquility and fulfillment. Wade Owing.